ninth graders too.
Oh, they did?
Yep, yeah, they require most ninth graders to run junior high. But if they're too good, then they may be put on JV or varsity. Yeah. Yeah. Here we come.
Let's go, buddy.
Let's go, Sam! We're going, Sam! We're going, Sam! We're going, Sam!
Max, looking good. Settling in now, buddy. Settling in. Good job.
Let's go, Jason! We're going, guys! We're going, guys!
Keep
We're going!
it stick together.
Nice job, Caleb. There you go. Nice job, Caleb. Great start.
Let's go, Matt!
Come on, man.
Come on,